It's about that time, guys. Seriously, it's about that time. Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. And today, first of all, Merry Christmas, everybody. And today, I'm gonna take a vote because I got some stuff for Christmas. Today and yesterday. And, well, it's gonna be kind of shocking, so this video will be like 2-3 minutes long, so excuse me, sorry. So let's enjoy the video, and I will see you in my room. Anyway, guys, so I'm back. I'm in my room. I got 5 stuff. No, 6. No. And these are what I have. I have 4 PlayStation games. NBA Live 09, Mortal Kombat vs. DC Universe, NBA 2K 8, Madden NFL, a SEGA Genesis DS kind of thingy, and a Nerf gun. I love this thing. Check this out. I know you guys didn't see that. And now I will show you what the insides look like. Come on, stupid thing. Check it. And here's like a 2-bladed thingy. What? What?
I'm gonna bust you up.
And here it says Mega, MEGA. And here I store the rest of the nuggets. No, I'm not. Anyway, that was my sister. She's always freaking bothering me. Anyway, give me a second. Shut up, Roger. I mean it. Anyway, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, just leave a like down below. Comment down, because we're voting, which do you like the SEGA, do you like the 4 games I got, or the SEGA Genesis DS kind of thingy, or the Nerf gun? Vote your comment down below. I will see you whenever I make the next video. Peace.